On 4th of December, contrabands worth of Rs.4 crores was seized at Bokajan. 2 people were arrested in connection to this case. Acting upon the specific intel output from its sources, Karbi Anglong Police, in a joint action with C-20 CRPF Bokajan, set up a search operation point at Lahorijan. The operation was led by G10 Gogoi, ASI in charge of Lahorijan Patrol Post. According to sources, it was informed that a Tata Magic Gold vehicle heading from Dimapur without registration number was intercepted in suspicions of carrying illicit drugs with them at early hours. The vehicle was rigorously searched and recovered 39 soap boxes of drugs comprising of 511.79 grams of suspected heroin from their possession. 2 people were arrested in connection to this case. They were identified as Dulal Uddin, 30 years old, son of Abdul Barik, residents of Balikatia village, Nagaon district, and Sarafat Ali, 22 years old, son of Alal Uddin, residents of Herapati village, Nagaon. The drugs packets were seized under the physical supervisions of John Das EPS SDPO Bokajan and Lutfur Rahman SIOC of Dilai Police Station. It was informed that the estimated worth of contraband seized is Rs.4 crores if brought to an open market. Anante Rang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.